Namaste, welcome to Havilah's Elsha kitchen. Today we are going to prepare caramel popcorn recipe which is better than what you get outside. Okay, let's get started. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, now add 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder. Mix all the ingredients together until you get a thick consistency. Keep the flame in medium to low. Okay, once you get the consistency as shown in the video, now add half tablespoon of vanilla essence and mix it well. Now add a very little pinch of salt and a very little pinch of baking soda and mix it well. Once it is nicely mixed, add your popcorn to the caramel syrup and mix it well. Check the description box for the popcorn link. Okay, now enjoy your favorite caramel popcorn recipe at your home with your loved ones. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Havilah Elsha Kitchen. Thank you. Bye bye, lovelies. Mwah.